So wood frame patio roofing can be extremely beautiful, and it can also be extremely poor quality. The difference between the two is whether or not you've hired an absolute master carpenter to build it, because a master carpenter will build a work of art wood frame patio. That construction process does take quite a long time. And so the labor aspect of building a wood frame patio is radically higher than if you're working with a system that has standardized engineering with it. The other thing is most wood frame patios nowadays are built with fast growth yellow pine. And so these are what you would see in like farmed forests that are designed for growing lumber. This is what the internal framing of a house would be made out of now if you bought a new house. And the problem with this product is it has about 30% of the density that old growth pine or old growth wood in any form would have. But the benefit is, of course, it's very inexpensive. This is extremely prone to rotting. And so you can paint and seal this, and a couple of years later, you're painting and sealing it again. Now, if you have the budget to build a wood frame patio roof out of cedar or redwood or ipe or mahogany or black walnut or any really high-end exotic looking wood, then you can build an absolute masterpiece out of wood. The cost for that, though, is going to be multiples of what you would spend on a Renaissance system or pretty much any other engineered patio system, just because the labor is so astronomical in comparison. So a typical wood frame patio roof build could last anywhere between 2 weeks and 3 months. And it's a lot more like building a room addition than it is building a patio in terms of engineering, architecture, and permitting, because you have all the same steps involved, all the same subcontractors. You need a roofing subcontractor to put the roof on top of it, a framing crew to actually build the framing, insulation, then you need decking underneath it. And so that's actually quite a project, but there's definitely a market for it. And there's no arguing that if you spend enough money on it, a wood frame patio can be absolutely spectacular. I've also seen a lot of wood frame patios that are absolutely horrible. And so really that's up to you and the builder that you choose to build it, what product you end up with.